Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and rewarding project, creating a wildlife habitat right in your own garden. By attracting butterflies, bees, and birds, you can transform your garden into a vibrant ecosystem while helping local wildlife thrive. Let's start with the most crucial element, plant selection. Choosing the right plants is essential for attracting wildlife. Opt for a mix of native plants, as they are best suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Native plants also provide the food and shelter that local butterflies and bees need. For butterflies, consider planting flowers like milkweed, coneflowers, and butterfly bushes. These not only attract adult butterflies but also serve as host plants for caterpillars. Bees love plants like lavender, sunflowers, and bee balm. These flowers are rich in nectar and pollen, making them irresistible to our buzzing friends. Aim for a variety of bloom times throughout the growing season. Don't forget about birds. Incorporating fruit-bearing shrubs such as blueberries or service berries can provide essential food sources. Additionally, adding birdhouses and feeders can make your garden a popular stop for water sources are crucial for all wildlife. Consider adding a small pond, bird bath, or even a shallow dish filled with water. This not only attracts birds for drinking and bathing but also provides a habitat for insects and frogs. Creating shelter is just as important. Leave some areas of your garden a little wild. Piles of leaves, logs, or rocks can serve as perfect hiding spots for insects, small mammals, and even butterflies that need a safe space to rest. Now let's talk about pollinator-friendly practices. Avoid using pesticides or herbicides, as these chemicals can be harmful to bees and other beneficial insects. Instead, opt for organic gardening practices to maintain a healthy ecosystem. Finally, remember to be patient. It may take time for wildlife to discover your garden, but with the right plants and care, your outdoor space will soon be bustling with butterflies, bees, and birds. So there you have it. By creating a wildlife habitat, you're not just beautifying your garden, you're supporting our planet's biodiversity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own wildlife habitat experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!